Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I want to teach you how to create a Canva account. Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create social media graphics, documents, presentations, posters, and other visual content. It offers variety of professionally designed templates and a user-friendly drag and drop interface, making it accessible for both beginners and professional designers. So join me as I teach you step by step on how to create a Canva account. Let's go. So we'll open our computer. When we open our computer, we go to our browser, we choose our browser. When we choose our browser, we will type www.canva.com. This is what we are going to type in our browser, and we'll press enter. When it opens, we are going to be seeing a beautiful interface like this, and it will first show you if you want to continue with this particular email that you are using in your browser. And if you don't want to continue with this particular email, you can close this and you just play around this particular first interface, and you will sign in. If you already have a Canva account, this is where you sign in, and if you don't, you will sign up to create a new Canva account, which we are just doing now. Click on sign up and allow it to open, and it will open like this. It will show you continue with Google or continue with Facebook, or you can continue with your email, or you continue another way. Now we are going to continue with email so that we can put our email account. I just put my email address. After putting my email address, I just click continue. When I click continue, it brings me to this place where you will see the name of my Canva account. This is the name of my Canva account. Now, if you're satisfied with the name of this account, then you can continue. If you're not satisfied, you can change it, because this name was generated automatically. So I am satisfied. I click on continue, and here I am asked to put in a digit code that was sent to my email. The email I used in creating this account. So I open a new browser and I open my Gmail account. I go to Gmail and I open my Gmail account. When I open my Gmail account, I see this code, this particular code. You can copy it or you memorize it, because you'll be putting it in order to create your Canva account. Here, I memorized it, so I put the code I got from my email and click on continue. And here is another important place where you are going to be choosing what will you be using Canva for. And you have large company, you have this, and you have teacher, and you have students, you have personal, and you have no profit. Here we are choosing personal. We'll choose personal, and it will show you if you want to try Canva Pro for free. Here I will be giving us another tutorial for this, but for now we'll say maybe later. And here are we. Congratulations. Now you have your Canva account created. Congratulations. Thank you for watching this tutorial. And if you find this tutorial helpful and you want to see more tutorials like this, just put your comments in the comment section what kind of tutorial you will be wanting me to do for the next episode. And you can also subscribe to this channel to encourage this channel. Thank you.